What's going down, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way I see it. We really is back on another one because I'm about to check out another one of these videos, man. See what's going on. Another one of these trap dancehall Jones, Jahshii. I'm assuming bro's name is Jahshii. I've heard of bro before too. If I'm not mistaken, he was cool with Skang, and maybe they not cool no more or something. I feel like I seen that around, or maybe that's one of his mans, something, and they beefing with somebody else. I can't remember exactly, but I've seen his name pop up a couple times. And then shout out to Trap Dancehall in the comments because they put me up on some game, man. You know, just filling me in on little things that I'm hearing in the songs that I was asking about, trying to get an idea of what exactly was going on. You know, so shout out to bro. They put me up on a couple things, man. But this is one of their suggestions, so I'm gonna check it out and see what's up. Jahshii, keep up. Let's see what's going on with it.
It a go hard for them keep up. Me a go hard and my song them a creep up. Young go get ever get a youth hero. Me a start from zero. Go to zero.
Wicked, yo, Jungle.
Been a dream about this. 4 series, parkside, a 3-story. On the balcony, living like a real tourist. I reminisce on the days me never mean no dish. Now if you see me youth a smiling, how me feel about it. Real glory. Nothing to see me, a man, we do it so quick. Go round the G already, now them want to be round me. About no press, I start the whip and them a speed it up. It a go hard for them keep up. Me a go hard and my song, them a creep up. For real, a reality, my dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. Know what me want, me a start from zero. Now my bank account zeros. And me a tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, I'm a nick up. Yeah, one good, no one's a fi run. Focus on me no slope on the front. Now go ever see soldier give up. I for hope me a beg ya, hope me down. Used to pour no any soup pour on the ground.
He said he used to pour up. What he say? He used to pour up Hennessy. Now we pour upon the ground. So what I'm getting from bro, and I'm imagining because I think this had a couple million views. This is one of the cats that's getting money because everything he talking about, and that's another thing is, you know, the more I'm listening to this, the more I'm able to pick up what they actually talking about. So, but yeah. I'm noticing bro is talking a lot of money talk, like a lot of, you know, I used to be down. It's called Keep Up, and the premise of what I'm getting from it so far is, you know what I'm saying, like Brody, it took a while for him to get up, you know what I'm saying, and he basically saying like, you know, catch up. But yeah, I'm definitely I'm picking up a little bit more of what they putting down, man. You know, he said we used to pour up, now we pouring on the ground. That shit hard. Let's see, keep going.
Never wait for nobody for sure, Jahshii out. So keep your comment forward, me post a picture. Plus me in my vibe, me can't sober for now, them me likes it. We are on the road and we young. Nothing never regular when we totally no. Choppy never tell a lie and I totally so. From the phone you lift up, we are programming that. Girl I scream for the G, couple pour up on the top. Yeah, lead by a mile, it's a more than enough. 360 start the tour and me done. No. It a go hard for them keep up. Me a go hard and my song them a creep up. For real a reality, my dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. Know what me want, me a start from zero. Now my bank account zeros. And me a tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, I'm a nick up. Self and not check cash, me no need you. Go get the cheese in myself and my team. Nobody at all, me no depend on for do it. No for a load, me no mentally weak. Hustling off in me mentality. 25 years, me them expand the gym. Can't chat about the crap, I ain't mention the cream. Different quality from me enter the street. Them keep up. Me a go hard and my song them a creep up. For real a reality, my dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. Know what me want, me a start from zero. Now my bank account zeros. And me a tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, I'm a nick up.
Okay. So that was Jahshii, man. I fuck with Jahshii, bro. He talking that money talk. And if anybody know what I listen to, or, you know, all my homies and shit, they know all the people I listen to is money getting type of niggas, bro. Like Payroll Giovanni, 38 Special, Rock Marciano, Currency, Dolph. I was heavy on Dolph. All money getting niggas. Like I don't know if I left anybody out, but it's some real money man, money man too. I even the type of music that Money Man make, I don't really keep up with too much, or that type of music I'm not really too in. But Money Man talk that shit so much that he pulled me into his type of music. So yeah, shout out to the money getting, you know what I'm saying, especially in the trap dancehall genre. You know what I'm saying, like shout out to the cats out here talking that money stuff, because everybody talking about killing, everybody killing, everybody got a 30, everybody got a chip Glock. Everybody got a switch on their Glock. Brody put me up on that too. So I did, I'm learning the lingo, picking it up a little bit. One thing I do want to ask though, I hear a lot in the songs about. Let me get rid of. Hold on, real quick. That's throwing me off. Look, I hear a lot in the songs. Cass is talking about putting credit on the phone, or something about putting credit on the phone, and I don't know if that's like they really just talking about putting credits on the phone, because back when I was younger, I was born in '89. So back when I was younger, you legitimately had to get credits for your phone, like to make phone calls. You know what I'm saying? When we was first getting cell phones and Motorola flips and shit. But yeah, I don't know, man. I can't tell if bro talking about really putting minutes on the phone, or if they talking about something else. So let me know. Let me know down in them comments, man. Y'all keep me up on games, so I appreciate that, man. But yeah, that's your boy Jahshii, man. Go check it out. Keep up, and tap in with your boy Raz on the way I see it. You know what I'm saying? I'll see y'all on the next one.